the Blue M AC series temperature humidity chamber. Main control panel, the functions and indicators is here. On the side, I'll show you, is the controller unit that has been put in, which is right here. It's an F4 controller. On this controller, you can see it's got two inputs. One temperature, which is input 1, and humidity, which is 2. So input 1 is 70 degrees C, set point. Input 2, we're set to 80% relative humidity. There'll be a manual that comes with the unit for how to use this controller. As I said, we're at 80. I've got a separate humidity thing just to make sure it was close, and we're getting 85 on that. That's reasonable. Main access door, so you can view what's inside the chamber. Has these 3 levers to open that door to lock it in place. Has a drip channel. This lever, so you know, does remove power. I'm not going to open this now. This is the circulating fan for the chamber. On the main control panel, you have power, humidity, and cooling. There is a cooling fan inside, but when you're finished, if you want to cool the chamber more rapidly than normal, you can put that on. It'll help exhaust cooling air around the chamber. Here's your indicators for humidity and temperature. As it's calling for those 2 things, it will light those lamps. And over here, we have our water level and our water drain indicator lights. When the humidity is turned off, this will automatically be in drain mode, which means it will cycle and just pump the water out the back. When it's needing water, because the water level's not up, and I'll show you that, this lamp will indicate. So they should be one or the other, or neither. On the back here, we have our water input. Comes up here, goes into this tank here. I've got the lid off of this tank. There's a float switch, and that's what keeps the level. Make sure, because as the humidity escapes, it will call for water. So initially, when it's empty, this will be flowing heavily, and then once it reaches the proper level, it'll start cycling and stabilize. Your drain port is here. So again, when you turn the humidity off, it'll just automatically start flowing out there, and I have a bucket there because then I'm draining the floor. On this side, we have an exhaust port. I have our feed. This is where you put feed throughs into there to do whatever you need to do with the process, and the humidity vent is here.